Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'll be doing a subimods review on the Molded Innovations ARR style rear brake light for the 2022 Plus WRX. I'll be doing a unboxing review along with a installation as well. All right guys, so this is pretty much what it is. All right. Oh, this is nice. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. What do we got here? It's just packaging. All right, sweet. So they pretty much gave us a mod report, the magazine. Pretty sick. We'll check that out later. But this is what it is. This is my first time opening this up, so I have no idea what's even in this though. What's on that? But the box and packaging, it looks pretty cool. Premium accessories, GBR, gloss black base, and light bar. WRX VB 2022 Plus. All right, cool. Get into this. Okay, so let's see here. Got instructions. It's the part of the cardboard. We have the wiring. Okay, and then we actually have the light itself. This is a nice packaging. Nice packaging right here. This is nice. There right now. This pretty sick. Oh, it's got the it's got the ARR right there. See the light, frame, wiring, both the adapters as well. Should be in plug and play though, but this is what's inside the box. This little guy right in here. He's gonna go in there. Make sure to hear a clip, because that's what I was hearing right there. Once I installed it, I heard a clip to have it go inside. The mounting bracket, you're gonna align it with the hole right there, like that. Next, we're gonna put this push pin right inside right there. We're gonna go from the outside in, so it's gonna look just like that. But now we're gonna do the main light install. Pretty nice, pretty clean. Looks really nice. It's got the ARR. So one last thing, guys, before screwing these guys, I am actually going to be using a 10mm. What was it? This was a little tough to put on though, because this is a little bit of a tight squeeze right here though, but I was able to bolt on all three of these. You detach this from the actual, light itself. Then you connect this small piece with this big one go, because it's gonna go to the line, and then these two connect together, both black ends. Bring this guy down through this little shaft right here, all the way down to the bottom. Let's connect this bad boy back to this. Should be good to go. But this is the end results for it. I did put the tie downs. There's some hoops inside right there that I was able to connect them with, but this is the end result for the rear brake light. So I'm gonna start showing what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. This is my first time installing it. I think it looks pretty cool. It's very, very unique compared to all the other styles that I normally see though. This is cool. These are the STI mufflers. I'll do another cold start right there. I think once we're at 13,000 miles that I have them already. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again guys for watching the channel, and I'll see you soon.